Alright, so we're going to unbox the MT602. This is by xDuoo. This is a vacuum tube headphone amplifier, and let's see. The plan is to somehow get it to fit into my home system also, if I can, to give it a little bit of tubey feel. That's my system. And let's get back to the box. So here we go. Okay, I can see the vacuum tubes. Okay, this is the unit, quite safely packed in there. I actually opened it earlier just to test it, but I put it back the way it was and wanted to actually experience the unboxing once again with you guys. Okay, let's pull this out, put it to the side. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so this is the user manual. I'm gonna have to refer it. Some more paperwork. Okay, one more box in here. Let me see if I can get it out without breaking everything. Okay, come on. Alright, trying to make this work with just one hand, not using my camera on a stand today. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is power supply. A pretty hefty, well-built looking unit. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, so what is this? Okay, 12 volt, 2 amperes. Okay, with the plug, we have an adapter put on it for usage in India. Okay, and let's now pull out the unit itself. Be careful with the tubes. Come on. Okay, here we go. So this is the unit. Quite well built actually. This is all metal, all the sides, it's all metal. Okay, and the rear we have the power input, and we have an RCA aux in and aux out ports, designed and made in China by xDuoo. Okay. On the front we have an aux in, an alternate input. In the front we have a power switch. Okay. And then we have 2 headphone outputs and the volume button. Okay. The red color over the metallic grey color looks quite nice. And the vacuum tubes, some ventilation holes on the sides and top. Bottom is absolutely clean. So this is a unit. I'm going to plug it in, set it up, and then give you some feedback on how it sounds. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.